Good afternoon, students. Today I am going to explain to you chapter 2 from the course book, A Lesson for Taylor. This chapter is written by Kim Moon. He is a novelist. He was a Korean novelist. In his early works, he delves into an ordinary life of an individual being destroyed by the tragedy of the Korean War and the introduction of industrialization. In his later works, he deals with the conflicts between materialism and traditional ethics during the expansion of industrialization. This chapter reminds people that they need things to care for the environment. But many times people do not know how they should go about. The following anecdote will lay before us the many little things that we can do to make difference to the earth we live in. Now let us listen to this story. One day, a little boy walks to his house. When he enters the house, his mother notices him. He was very sad. Then she asked, "What happened, Taylor? Is everything okay?" The boy replies, Nothing is okay." Then mother says, "Can I do something?" "That's just thing, mother. There's nothing we can do." In school, teacher was talking about Earth Day. It is supposed to be a day when everyone promises to do something to help to take care of our world. And Mrs. Green was telling us how many factories are not careful about how they get rid of their industrial waste. Our world is getting dirtier. Many animals and plants are dying. And Mrs. Green wants us to think of something we can do to help. I can't stop the factories from polluting our environment. I cannot make a difference. Then his mother sat for a minute thinking. "Let me tell you a story that your grandfather told me. One morning, a man was walking on a beach covered with dying starfish. Due to strong tides on the previous night, thousands of starfish had been washed up on the shore. The man felt sad thinking that so many starfish would die on the beach. He came upon a boy who was throwing the starfish back into the ocean as fast as he could. He was out of breath, and it was obvious that he had been at this task for a while.